Everyone should take care of their lungs as meticulously as they do for their other organs, like the skin, heart, stomach, and kidneys. Without the lungs, life becomes impossible. One of the most common issues faced by people is mucus or phlegm inside the lungs. While having a small amount is normal, especially when the lungs are pushing away irritants, there comes a time when the organ overproduces mucus. There are 3 major reasons why. The first is acid reflux. When the acid in the stomach travels upwards to the esophagus, it causes irritation, which increases the risk of chest congestion. This is why when people have GERD or gastroesophageal reflux disorder, they often secrete mucus. The airways are irritated by the acid from the stomach. The second cause of mucus in the lungs is allergies. When people are allergic to something, they exhibit different ways of showing it. Some experience itchy eyes, shortness of breath, tightness around the chest, and asthma, which can all drive the lungs to produce mucus. This is a sign that the airways are inflamed. The third reason for excessive mucus is bacterial and viral infections, such as the flu, colds, bronchitis, and pneumonia. The mucus is the lung's mechanism to eliminate these pathogens by excreting them. I know most of you have experienced 2 or more of these illnesses before, and some of you prefer letting it heal on its own. While this method is effective to others, it may drive you to complications. Pneumonia, for example, if you let it go untreated, it can lead to lung abscesses, fluid accumulation, even death. Asthma without maintenance can lead to airway remodeling and respiratory failure. Knowing these complications, it's important you do the following recommended strategies to alleviate the excessive production of mucus in the lungs and prevent complications from diseases. Are you curious about these procedures? Hi, welcome to Top Health. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for your regular dose of enlightening health-related content. Today, let's look into the recommended ways how you can eliminate mucus from your lungs and prevent complications from lung issues. But before we start, you need to know that the information you're about to hear is merely for educational purposes. It is not a substitute for a doctor's advice, nor is it a solution for any disease. So, before you engage in the following procedures, consult your doctor first to see if you can do so. 1. Take the right medications. One of the most effective ways to eliminate mucus in the lungs is to take the right medication. But before you do that, it's important to consult a doctor so he or she can prescribe the correct medicine that fits your symptoms. It's important you not rely on the opinions of other people on the web or social media, simply because they cannot assess you or give you an accurate diagnosis. With a real doctor, they can assess your medical status, medical history, and allergies to give you the best medicine for your condition. Once the doctor has given you the prescription, stick to the schedule and dosage to prevent overdose and to regain your health as soon as possible. 2. Drink plenty of fluids. Whenever a person experiences cough, flu, and colds, people immediately tell them to drink more water. While this is a cliché technique, you can see that it's effective to relieve the symptoms of lung illnesses. For one, water can help the body secrete the pathogens that are attacking the immune system. It also helps the body regulate temperatures, which is important to regain comfort. Lastly, drinking more water helps the body regain function because it has minerals that can help the body regain the fluids it lost. 3. Take a hot bath or shower. The point of taking a hot bath or shower is so that you can inhale the steam coming from the warm water. This process acts as a natural way to break up mucus in the lungs. It loosens the grip from your airways so you can easily excrete it, giving you the comfort you deserve. Isn't this the easiest thing to do, especially when it can give you that holistic comfort? Why don't you like and subscribe before we move forward? That way, you can stay updated about new health and fitness techniques. 4. Practice the deep coughing technique. When people feel discomfort in their lungs due to the presence of mucus, some push themselves to hack or cough, even superficially, just to excrete the phlegm. While this works for other people, it can severely damage your throat. When you cough forcefully, you induce friction in your throat. Without lubrication, it can cause a tear and lead to more infection. So, a better approach if you want to excrete the mucus from your system is to practice the deep coughing technique. To do so, begin by taking in a deep breath and hold it for 2 to 3 seconds before you induce a cough. 5. Use a humidifier. When you have existing inflammation in your lungs or airways, chances are breathing in dry air can make it worse. This is why some experts recommend using a humidifier to moisten the air before it goes into your lungs. If you want, you can add eucalyptus oil into the device to assist you in alleviating the pressure in your chest. Speaking of herbs, you might want to watch the next video about 5 herbs for lung health, clearing mucus, COPD, and killing viruses. This video tackles the most effective herbs you can use to eliminate mucus from your lungs and alleviate the symptoms of lung diseases such as COPD, pneumonia, bronchitis, asthma, and many more. 6. Keep your allergies under control. As discussed earlier, one of the reasons for excessive secretion of mucus is allergies. If you want to experience comfort, you can control your allergies by taking antihistamines, for example. This is a no-brainer, don't you think? It may be so, but it's often overlooked. This is why you need to maintain awareness about what you eat and drink. I guess this reminder deserves a thumbs up, don't you think? 7. Eat foods that are good for the respiratory system. Studies have proven that certain foods can promote lung health. If you're having trouble eliminating mucus from your chest, you can try specific foods and drinks such as spicy foods. As you all know, chili causes a runny nose, which is a good sign. This means that the mucus in your airways have loosened up, making it easier for you to excrete them. These are only some of the basic ways you can alleviate the mucus in your lungs. Seeing how easy they are, you can effectively implement them with the approval of a doctor. That's it for this video. Have you tried any of these techniques before? If so, let us know in the comments below how it worked for you. Also, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more health and fitness related content. See you in the next video. Enjoy!